Good morning, children. Welcome to today's EVS class. In today's class, we'll continue learning block 1, that is My World. So in this block, we learned about personal things, how to take care of our personal things. Then we learned about our choices, how your likes and dislikes differs from other people, and also the need of giving value and respecting the others' likes and dislikes. Then we continued learning about feelings, different types of feelings, and also we learned about how to control some of the feelings which are not good. Yeah. So as a continuation of My World, today we are going to learn an interesting topic, that is my hobbies. Let us get started, children. So aim of today's class is, we already know about some free time activities. Today we will learn to describe the importance of free time activities. So when we were discussing about the likes and dislikes, most of you expressed that what you like to do in your free time. Do you remember, children? So this free time, whenever our routine work is over, we spend our time in doing the things what we like. So that becomes our hobby. And today's class, we are going to learn to describe the importance of free time activities. Yes, children, let us get started. So the key word is hobby. HOBBY, hobby. Hobby means any activity done in free time. Whenever we are free, our work is over, the thing what we like, the activity which you like to do, when you do that becomes your hobby. So any activity done in free time. So now today's activity is going to be very simple. You can do in your, as usual, in the rough book. Later we can do the remaining activities, remaining work in the notebook, EVS notebook, children. So take out your rough book and I'll show you one chart, and simple activity only. You will be following the instructions. You will be doing that then and there, children. So you will take the rough book, write EVS heading, block 1, lesson 4, today's date. So let us see this chart. You can see here the chart in which different activities are being given. You see here the first picture, children are enjoying to swim. Yes, it is also a very nice fun time activity. So if you like this activity, just you give a tick in your rough book. You don't need to write anything, just you are going to tick if you like to learn swimming, or if you already know to swim whenever you are free. Yes. Next picture you see, children are reading. They are reading some different types of story books, or some books they are reading. If you like to do that, you can tick. If you don't like to do that activity, you can just keep a cross. Next you see, children are playing with a ball in the garden. Happily they are playing. So if you like to play outdoor games, you can keep a tick. Now next you see this activity, children are playing cricket. There it was football, now you can see it is cricket they are playing. If you like to play cricket, you can keep a tick or you can keep the cross. Now you see here, happily they are dancing. So if you like to dance, if you like to learn and dance perfectly, you can keep a tick. If you don't like dancing, you can keep a cross. Now you see, children, this girl is painting. So if you like to paint, you can keep a tick or you can keep a cross. See here, all of these, what are these? You might have ticked 1 or 2 or even all or only one, that is not a matter. See, all these are different types of activities which we like to do in our free time. So one of you might be liking swimming, one might be liking reading, one might be liking to play football. So that differs. As you all know that likes and dislikes varies from one person to another person, because we all are different. So now these activities, free time activities, are they important or not? Just thinking, you are ticked or you are crossed, that is okay. So when you compare this with your friends, so you will be knowing that some you like and some your friends like, but each one will be liked by one or other child. So all these activities, why are they important and how are they going to help you? That's what we are going to learn. Let us learn, children. So now So before learning that, let us see a small video. Yeah.
Activities we do in our free time are called hobbies. We can have more than one hobby. Hobbies play an important role in our life. Some hobbies relax our mind, help us learn new skills, help us to stay fit and healthy, and make us happy.
A different, now the important question. Even you in the video you saw that how are they helping. So when a child is learning to play the guitar, she is learning new skills. Yes, she's learning the new skills. When a child is cooking, you saw that picture. So she is happy when we do something which we like, we are very happy. Even when you are listening to the music, it is relaxing our mind. When you play outdoor games like football or cricket, that helps you to be active and also keeps your body fit. No, children? So that's what we are going to discuss further. What are the different things that can be done in free time? So what all you can do in the free time, children? Yes, different people do different activities in their free time. It is not the same because we all are different. Some people sing, some dance, some read, some cook, some play football, and some play cricket. That's what from the beginning we are seeing. Any activity that we like to do in our free time is called a hobby. So among this, you might be liking to do one or two or all the activities, or other than this also you might be liking something. Even the beginning of the lesson you might have seen there is a picture of making pots. So pottery is also one such hobby. Learning it to do, and it is also develops the one of the skill. No, children? Yes. Now, why are these free time activities important? Why are they important? Why do you think they are important? Yes, you are right. Some hobbies like listening to music relax our mind. Some other like playing the guitar help us to learn new skills. Some hobbies like reading a book help us learn new things, while some others like playing games keep us fit and healthy. Just you can see this chart. Importance. Why are the hobbies important? It keeps us fit and healthy, bring us joy, help us learn new skills and relax our mind. Again, why are they important? Different hobbies you know to name now. Singing, dancing, painting, like that. So why are they important? They keep us fit and healthy, they bring us joy, they help us learn new skills and also relaxes our mind. Now, why it is not good to play mobile games during all the free time that we get. So this is what one of the important thing you have to learn, children. All the time games means not outdoor games are very good, or indoor means playing chess, snakes and ladders. Like such type of games are good, but all the time sitting in front of mobile or laptop or a TV is not good. Your parents might be repeatedly telling you this. So why do you think so, children? Why are we not supposed to see TV for a long time, watch the phone for a long time? Why? Yeah, you are right. So our screening time, this will make your eyes tired. Yes, and it will make your brain also get tired, and you will be, for later you may get the eye problems and all. See here, looking at the screen of mobile phones for a long time can cause pain in our eyes and neck also. It may also cause a headache. So we must not use mobile phones, and we must not play video games or watch TV for long hours. This is very, very important, which you have to follow. You need to select a very good hobby which will help you to stay fit. You have to see whether it is satisfying the things what we learned. Is it important? If it is important, it should keep you fit and healthy. It will help you to relax your mind. It helps you to be happy, and also you have to learn something new things from that, and also you should develop the skills. If it is not so, that is not a good hobby, and you should not do that for long time, children. So now, yeah, children, as usual, now we will see what is given in our content book. So content book, you all open this page and see the lesson 4, my hobbies. So just you listen to me, later you will read 2 to 3 times and you will try to understand what is given before doing the worksheet. Any activity that we like to do during our free time is called a hobby. Different people have different hobbies like playing games, painting, singing, acting, cooking or reading. People can have more than one hobby also. I said no, some of you might be liking to do 1 or 2 or more than 2 also among the activities what all we discussed. Hobbies relaxes our mind and make us happy. Some hobbies help us to learn new skills. Some hobbies keep us fit and healthy. Hobbies teach us to work with others in a group. That is also very important. And we should avoid playing mobile games and watching TV for long hours. This may cause problems like even eye pain and the neck pain or can affect our brains. So this part, with the help of your parents, you will read 2 to 3 times so that you will better understand what is given in that. That's already we discussed. So hobbies are very, very important only when they are only when they help you to be healthy, learn new things, develops your skills. So you should not watch longer time TV and mobile phones. Yes, children, we'll continue now. We will learn. Yeah, children. Now you have understood the importance of hobbies and how are they helping us. Now it's a time for us to complete the worksheet. Today the activity was just a ticking and whichever you like and whichever you don't like. So down to that you can write the hobbies what you like to do. So you can write 1 or 2 whichever activity you like to do in your free time. You can write or you can draw and color that in the rough book, children. Now let us see what is given in our worksheet. So 2.4, my hobbies. You'll write the date and just question 1 you see which of these is a hobby. Tick the correct answers. See the pictures, children. First one is painting, brushing teeth, singing, sleeping. So among this, which all are the hobby, children? Very good. Painting is a hobby. Very good. Brushing teeth, it is one of the activity which we do to keep our body clean. So it is not a hobby. It is essentially we have to do every day. Singing, yeah. What about sleeping? That is the time which we take rest. So that is not a hobby. Very good. Second question you see. Yeah, see the second question. Fill the table using words from the box. Watching movies, making pots, listening to music, photography. Photography means taking photographs. How to handle the camera and all you will learn and you will be taking the photographs. Now you see the first part you have to pick and from this you have to pick and write hobbies that help us relax. So among this, which will help you to relax, children? Relaxing, very good. Watching movies will relax. It is just an entertainment and we will relax our mind. We'll feel happy. And listening to music also will relax our mind. Only you are listening, right? You are not singing. Just listening to the music will relax your mind. Hobbies that help us to learn a skill. Something you are learning, in which you are learning something. Very good. Making pots, you will learn how to press the clay, how to mold the clay, how to keep in the potter's wheel. Different things you will be learning to when you are learning to make the pots. And even photography also, it will develop your skills. So you can pick and write, see up and you can put it in the correct place, children. Third question. Raj watches TV for 5 hours in the afternoon. Write one effect of this on his health. So when you watch TV for long hours, 5 hours is not a short time, no children, very, very long hours. So what will happen to him? He may get eye pain. So simple words you can write. He gets eye pain or headache. Yes, headache or eye pain and neck pain also he may be getting. So complete this worksheet after reading the content book 2 to 3 times. When you read, you will be able to complete it, children. Let us see what is given in our content book as practice questions to learn the concept better. See that. Tick the hobbies, cross the activities that are not hobbies. Playing cricket, shall we tick? Yeah. Shall we tick, children? Yes, we can keep a tick. What about wearing clothes? No, they are not hobbies. Cooking? can be a hobby for some people. Sleeping, that is an essential activity which all of us should do. What about dancing, children? Yes, you can tick it. Now you see, write about your hobby in 50 to 80 words. How does this hobby help you? So instead of writing these many words, just you can write how does the hobby help you in one sentence to me. Which hobby? Just to change the question as name your hobby, like name the hobby you like, and hobby means you are going to like only, and how does this hobby help you? So that you will write and you will complete that. And write any 3 bad effects of playing games. Any 3 bad effects of playing games on mobile phones for longer hours. So when you are playing the games, video games in the phone for longer hours, how it will affect you? 3 bad effects, children. One is eye pain, neck pain, and also head pain also you can write. So these 3 different types of pain you will be getting when you are playing in the mobile phone for longer hours. So this questions also you can complete in this content book itself, or you can write in your EVS notebook. But when you write in the EVS notebook, you have to write it very neatly. So complete ticking part. First question you can do in the content book itself. Second question also I change. Only you are going to name the hobby and you are going to write how it is helping you. Here only you can finish it off. Write any 3 bad effects of playing games on mobile phones for longer hours. That question you can do in the EVS notebook. EVS block 1 lesson 4 date you write, and this question you copy and write the 3 effects in your own words, simple words you write and you complete, children. Yes, so hope so. In today's class we learnt about what are hobbies, different hobbies, and the importance of hobbies you learn, and also you know the bad effects of playing games in the mobile phone for longer hours. So complete up to the worksheet 2.1 to 2.4, whatever work is given, and be ready for the next class, children. Bye bye, children.